Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to For Love Running. Slightly different video this weekend. It's not a park run video. I did do park run yesterday. I ran the Packanthi park run and had a little bit of a pre-race shakeout there. Didn't take the camera along. But yeah, basically this morning I've come down to the Adelaide Marathon Festival, one of the bigger events for the year here in Adelaide, and I basically ran the half marathon. Not ready to do a full marathon again just yet, but I had a cracking run, really good PB. Ran with an elite female by the name of Tara Palm, so she sort of helped pull me along a little bit, but I ran a 1:14 and 5 seconds, so I am super chuffed with that. So I can't wait to get home, have some food, have a coffee, just put my legs up, maybe get the massage gun out, have a warm bath, get that recovery on the go. But it's absolutely amazing here. Massive numbers doing the marathon.
Ten seconds. Good luck, guys. Have fun. Have a good run.